Good afternoon. I'm back up in the mountains. I'm going to set 2 cameras. Going away for the weekend, so might as well have them out doing something. But I thought I might take a bit of video today, going along the way. We're just following up a creek that I've been to a few times before, and it's another place where I've gotten a cat, and I don't know why at the moment I'm pursuing this, but these feral cats are really interesting me. Don't know what will come from it, but something might. I'm going to set the cameras down by a little creek. I've found the creeks tend to have the most action for wildlife. I suppose everything's got a drink, but yeah, I'll find a little area down here somewhere. Okay, I'm down on the creek. It's a lovely little spot, a little oasis, but there's a lot of animal trails coming down to meet the water. Main one coming down here. So I've set a camera here looking at that area there, and still trying to get rid of any pieces of grass that may blow in the wind and trigger the camera. So that's it there. And then over here I've set a camera looking across the creek up there, and that's the area where I got a cat before, so be interesting to see what happens. Typical little mountain creek, overgrown, quite deep channel. It would flood pretty well, I imagine, when the rains come. But yeah, really rich habitat. Okay, that's the cameras set. I'm going away this weekend, so I'll pick them up sometime next week. But I've left them running, taking one photograph followed by 30 seconds of video, and then resetting to capture whatever triggers it again. But like I said, I'll leave them up there till next week. We'll see what happens. I am really interested in feral animals at the moment. I don't know if it's got to do with this course I'm studying, but anyway, they'll fit into the picture somewhere. And but a lot of cats around this area, and it'll be very interesting to see if I don't pick up more in this setting. Cheers.